Most people think buying Bitcoin or Ethereum is the hard part, but that's actually the easy part. The real challenge? Knowing where to store it, how to keep it safe, and how to avoid making one mistake that could wipe everything out. Most beginners just leave their crypto on an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, thinking it's fine. It's quick, easy, and feels secure until something goes wrong. A hack, a lost password, a fake app. And suddenly, that safe setup turns into a nightmare. But here's the truth. Learning how to store your crypto the right way is not hard, and it doesn't take any special tech skills. There's a simple process anyone can follow, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. I've reviewed the latest expert guides from Forbes, Investopedia, Rock Wallet, and even PwC's Global Security Report. This is the real-world info people are using right now to protect thousands, even millions, in crypto. And in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you in plain English. You'll learn how crypto wallets really work, how to choose between hot and cold storage, how to avoid the latest scams, and how to lock your assets down like a pro. Let's get started. Hot versus cold wallets, what every beginner needs to know. Think of crypto wallets like bank accounts, but without a bank. You're the bank, and there are two types of wallets, hot and cold. A hot wallet is like a checking account you use every day. It's connected to the internet, which makes it easy to access, but that also makes it easier to steal from. Apps like Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, or Trust Wallet are all hot wallets. Super convenient, but they come with risks, like phishing scams or malware on your device. A cold wallet, on the other hand, is like a safe hidden in your closet. It's offline, no internet connection, which means it's nearly impossible to hack remotely. Hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor are great examples. They're small devices that store your private keys offline, completely out of reach from hackers. So which one should you use? The real answer? Most serious crypto holders use both. They keep a small amount in a hot wallet for trading or quick access, and they store the bulk of their assets in a cold wallet for long-term protection. This setup gives you the best of both worlds, accessibility and safety. And here's a key tip. Even the safest wallet in the world is useless if you lose access to it. That's why your recovery phrase, those 12 or 24 words, is everything. We'll talk about how to protect that coming up. But first, let's dive deeper into how to actually set up cold storage properly, because it's easier than you might think, and it's one of the smartest moves you can make. So now that you know what a cold wallet is, let's talk about how to actually set one up. This might sound technical, but don't worry. It's simpler than setting up a new phone. Step 1. Pick a hardware wallet. The most popular cold wallets in 2025 are Ledger, Trezor, and SafePal. These are small USB-like devices you plug into your computer when needed. Buy only from the official websites, never from Amazon, eBay, or third-party sellers. Counterfeit devices can look real, but are built to steal your funds. Step 2. Install the software. Once you receive your hardware wallet, go to the manufacturer's website and download the companion app, like Ledger Live or Trezor Suite. This is where you'll generate a new wallet address and interact with your crypto. Step 3. Write down your recovery phrase. During setup, you'll be shown 12 or 24 random words. This is your recovery phrase. Write it down by hand on paper or metal, not in your phone, not in the cloud, not in an email. This phrase is the master key to your wallet. If you lose it, you lose access. If someone else gets it, they own your crypto. A popular option. Store one copy in a fireproof safe at home and another in a safety deposit box. Some people even use metal plates that are heat and water resistant. Step 4. Receive and store crypto. Once setup is complete, your hardware wallet will generate a receive address. You can now transfer your crypto to this address from your exchange or hot wallet. Always double-check the address. One small typo can send funds to the wrong place permanently. Pro tip: do a test transfer first. Send $5 or $10 to make sure it arrives. Then send the full amount. Now that your crypto is safe and offline, let's talk about something even more dangerous than hackers. Scams that trick you into handing over access voluntarily. That's next. Most people imagine hackers cracking into wallets like in the movies. But in reality, most crypto theft happens when you're tricked into giving away access yourself. Let's fix that. Scam 1. Fake wallet apps. Some scammers build fake apps that look just like the real thing, with the same logos, same login screen, everything. Once you enter your recovery phrase, it's game over. Tip: always download wallet apps from the official website or app store links, and double-check the publisher name. Scam 2. Phishing emails and DMs. Urgent. Confirm your wallet to avoid suspension. If you get a message like that, delete it. No legit company will ever ask for your seed phrase. Not Ledger, not MetaMask, not anyone. Tip. Bookmark the real websites you use. Never click links from emails or DMs when dealing with your crypto. Scam 3. Social media impersonators, YouTube comments, Telegram groups, fake support agents. They'll offer to help you, then trick you into giving them access. Tip. Never share screenshots of your wallet, transactions, or recovery phrases with anyone online. If someone is offering help, assume it's a scam unless you asked for it on an official support page. Scam 4. Rug pulls and pump and dumps. These aren't wallet hacks, but they can wipe your balance just the same. If you're investing in new coins or projects, do your homework. Tip. Be suspicious of anything that promises guaranteed returns or urgent hype. At the end of the day, your best defense isn't just a wallet, it's knowing how to avoid being tricked. In a moment, I'll show you how to level up your wallet's security even more with things like 2FA and multi-sig. You've learned the basics. But if you want to take your crypto security to the next level, here are a few expert-level moves that make a huge difference. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA, everywhere. Don't rely on just a password. Always enable 2FA for your exchange accounts, wallet apps, and email. Use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, not text message codes, which can be intercepted in SIM swap attacks. Keep your devices clean. Your cold wallet might be safe, but if your computer or phone is infected, attackers can still get in. Don't download random files. Don't click strange links. Use antivirus tools and update your system regularly. If possible, use a dedicated device for crypto only. No browsing, no email, no distractions. Consider multi-signature wallets, multi-sig. If you're storing large amounts, multi-sig wallets add another layer of security. These wallets require more than one key to approve a transaction. Think of it like needing two people to open a vault. It reduces single points of failure. You can set it up to require both your laptop and phone, or even two separate people. Multi-sig isn't for everyone, but it's a great option if you're managing family funds, business holdings, or long-term investments. Crypto doesn't come with a reset button, but it does come with tools to protect yourself, if you use them. Let's quickly recap what you now know, because most people never even get this far. You understand the difference between hot and cold wallets and why both matter. You know how to set up cold storage properly and protect your recovery phrase like your life savings depend on it. You've seen the most common scams in 2025 and how to avoid them like a pro. And you've got a few advanced security tips that put you way ahead of the average crypto user. That's how you win in crypto, not just by buying early, but by protecting what you've already earned. And if you're ready to take the next step, I made a full video training that goes even deeper into setting up your crypto for long-term success, from building your portfolio to maximizing growth without compromising safety. The link to that full training is in the description. Make sure to check it out after this video. If this helped you, let me know in the comments and share it with someone who's just getting into crypto. You might save them a lot of money and stress. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.